Good evening, everybody. This is STO Weather Meteorologist Bobby Stoll here with this week's edition of Forecast Friday. As always, we will start with our observations from across the area. At 9:40 p.m. last night, it was 54 in Bethalto, 56 in Chesterfield, and 57 at Lambert, with dew points in the low 40s across the area. Overnight, we dropped into the 40s in the suburbs. Downtown over there at the airport stayed at 50. And throughout, however, everybody did drop throughout the day today, getting all the way down to 45. So we actually did get into the 40s at the airport. Of course, though, we rebounded pretty significantly, got back up into the 50s. We've been on a downward trend, though, ever since. And it looks like we're going to be on a downward trend towards freezing for the low overnight tonight. Take a look at the wind data here. Not really looking too much early on. I want to look a little bit later on throughout the day as that cold front passed. You can see the wind started really picking up. Look at that. 20 knots. Think about that. 20 knots, ladies and gentlemen. That's pushing about 30 miles an hour. 30 miles an hour, gusting probably about 40. So it's no wonder everything was blowing around today. Man, that's crazy. And right before I went on the air, we got another wind advisory out. So it's going to be windy again tonight. Moving to look at the surface map now. Here you can see the fronts moving. There's a cold front. There's another cold front that's getting ready to pass. So as that front passes, we're going to get windier yet again. And behind that front is a bunch of cold air. Of course, looking at the satellite map now, back as far as it goes to yesterday at 9:20. Moving the satellite map ahead here, you can see the radar kind of dimmed. Looking at the satellite map here, you can see there's no rain threat for St. Louis. And as these clouds move through along just ahead of this front here, you can see the clouds moving through. So and you got some mid-level clouds behind that. So mid-level clouds for the most part this weekend. Rain should stay clear. And looking at our local Doppler radar here. So while that runs, I can go ahead and give you the forecast. The whole weekend we're going to be near freezing overnight. So it's definitely going to be cold out there. We should get up into the mid-50s tomorrow. Oh, a little bit of rain there. Earlier today. Oh, that's current. Oh, yeah. It's pretty recent, actually. So did have a few batches of rain not too long ago. Back to the forecast now. Overnight, it'll be near freezing. Saturday, mid-50s for the highs. Upper 60s possible Sunday. And we should be rain-free as soon as this batch of rain moves through. It's looking like it'll be cold overnight, but during the day you should be okay for the most part. You'll need a jacket Saturday, but Sunday I think you'll be able to get away being outside without one. With that, this is STO Weather Meteorologist Bobby Stoll signing off, wishing you all a pleasant weekend. Take care, stay warm, and as always, stay safe.